Blue's Clues is coming up next. But first, it's puzzle time! Let's play a game with
Cats.
Look at these 3 friendly felines, also known as kitty cats. 2 of them are exactly the same, but one is not the same. It's different. Your mission is to find the one that's different. Let's look for it when we come back. It's puzzle time! 2 of these cute and cuddly kitty cats are exactly, precisely, 100% the same. But one of them is unique. It's different from the others. If you look carefully, I bet you can find it. You can tell me which one it is when we come back. It's puzzle time! With 3 happy cats. 2 of them are exactly the same, but one is different. Which one is it? Is it this one, or this one?
That one.
Outstanding! This cat is missing its stripes. These 2 are exactly the same. Great job! Now it's time for Blue's Clues.